Hey guys, welcome back to Exploring the Best. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are going to explore Sung Sot Caves in Halong Bay. Before going into the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support us. Sung Sot Caves are also called as Surprise Caves. This is one of the most famous and most visited caves in Halong Bay, Vietnam. These caves were discovered in 1901 by a French traveler, and these caves are located in Bohon Island. If you want to visit these caves, you need to travel 3 hours from Hanoi to Halong by car or bike. If you are planning to Hanoi, must visit these caves. Now watch and enjoy these amazing caves.